Hello everybody, welcome back to Just Lights. In today's video, I'm going to be tinkering with this Aerodynamic or Aerotwin Sonic. This is a 25 RWL. This is one of those like Wrecker specials. I have the lenses sitting right here, but these lenses are in really rough shape. I'm not sure if I'm going to attempt to try to buff these a little bit or not. But you see every lens, every piece is heavily cracked, spiderwebbed, you name it. It's pretty rough. Now I've had this bar probably since 2002, and it's always been in that bad of shape. But keeping it inside the shop has kept it from getting any worse. But today, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to kind of clean this up a little bit. You see, it's definitely got some dirt and some oils and all that stuff on it. So I want to kind of clean it up a little bit, kind of make it look a little bit nicer. I'm going to re-glue the end caps back on because they've just come off. When I went to pull the lens off, they just popped right off. I'm going to try to glue them back on. And like I said, I might see what I can do about cleaning those up just a little bit. But other than that, I'm probably not going to be doing a whole lot with this one. So let's get into cleaning. The 24 RWL light came out in 1980 and had a production run to about 1993. From what I found on forums and on the internet, the RWL stands for rear work light, which would have only come on a Wrecker style bar. The Wrecker bar would have been the only Federal Signal light to have rear-facing lights like that. All other Aerodynamics would have had rear-facing lights, but they'd have been behind color filters and been set up as a wigwag or a flasher format. In 1989 to 2013, the light would have gone through a revision. The sealed beam rotator assemblies were removed and independent rotators were installed in their place. That light would have been relabeled as a RWL-I. Now, these bars also would have been equipped with clearance lights on the back side, which have been 3 little red lights. When I first got the light, it did have the bracket, but all 3 lights were damaged. I have removed that bracket with the intent that if I find the correct bulbs, I will reinstall that bracket down the road. Now, I bought this light when I was living in Jupiter, Florida from a guy that owned a Wrecker company back in 2002. Alright, so I definitely got it much cleaner than it was before. I also polished out the mirrors to get them to look nice again. So next step is I got to get those end caps glued back on those. I'll get those lenses on there and just do just what I can with them. And then we will see this thing fire up. All right, so I'm doing a little bit of buffing. Here's the front of the bar. It's not coming out too bad. Like I said, I'm trying not to get too carried away with it, just because of all the scratches. So I'm not really doing any wet sanding. Because I don't want to put a bunch of pressure. I'm just using my buffer with a little bit of a fine cut compound. And then after I get it buffed out, I'm using just a spray wax over top of that, just kind of help fill in any of the possible fine scratches, from the polish stuff. But here's the front of the bar. So I'm going to turn that on real quick, and then I'll flip the bar around, show you the back side. Okay, so let's get the front lit up. Now, I don't know why whoever originally ordered this bar did the 2 clears in the center here. Seems how there's no real lights there, and you really can't put lights there because of the motor. But, I mean, there might have been a reason for it. But let's go ahead and start off with the front flashers. Then the rotators. Okay, so I got the bar turned around. We're going to start off with the taillights. I have them set up to be taillights, and then I hooked them to the flashers so they'll flash like the hazards are on. So we're going to start with those. Then we have the work lights. Now we have a combination of the work lights, tail lights, and hazard lights. And the rotators. So here we go. My Federal Signal Aerotwin Sonic Wrecker Special. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.